Which of the following is not a type of artificial intelligence agent? A. Learning AI agent. B. Goal-based AI agent. C. Simple reflex AI agent. D. Unity-based AI agent. The correct option is D. Unity-based AI agent. Explanation: Unity-based AI agent is not a standard type of AI agent in the field of artificial intelligence. Unity is game development engine, and while it has tools for creating AI, Unity-based AI agent refers to an agent built within the Unity platform, not a fundamental category of AI agents. Simple reflex agents operate based on the current percept, what they currently see or sense, and set of predefined condition action rules. They do not have memory of past experiences. Goal-based agents consider their current state and a future goal, choosing actions that will lead them toward that goal. Learning agents are a type of AI agent that can learn from their past experiences and improve their performance over time. Why other options are incorrect? Learning AI agent is a type of AI agent that learns from experience. Goal-based AI agent is a type of AI agent that acts to achieve a specific goal. Simple reflex AI agent is a type of AI agent that acts based on current perceptions without considering history of past perceptions.